top 10 radar. Yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah.
We have a package. It's not even a vlogging week, but this will come out the following week. But the updated hoodie is here. So if you guys remember from the first vlog, or maybe the second vlog, I don't know, I was giving updates to the Venom clothing collection. So our first clothing collection, which will drop more so in the fall winter time, because it is kind of a hoodie sweatshirt collection. So it was a t-shirt, a hoodie, and sweatpants. Sweatpants pretty much were great. They just need to be a bit longer. The shirt was good. It was just the neck and the arm part was a bit stiff when putting it on. You know, you kind of had like that popping sound from like the threads when you put it on. So this is just the updated hoodie, as well as some fabric options for the shirt is what I believe is in here. So we're gonna check it out. So this is basically like sample round 2, which I didn't realize. The reason I only got the hoodie is because I didn't realize they don't do round 2s of samples. Like you can only do 1 round of samples, and then you have to order the full quantity. I don't know if that's every manufacturer, but that was just the one I'm working with, and I just pretty much told them like, I'm not comfortable with ordering the full quantity. We did come into an agreement to just at least get another sample of the hoodie, because that was probably had the most updates. Like I wanted the hoodie completely like restructured, resized, so that was the main thing. So these are the different samples for the shirt. So we'll see. I definitely like this one better because it's thicker. I like the fabric of the shirt, it's just the neckline. Our new hoodie, yay. So she's pretty much kind of cropped. We have the actual get back up design on the back. So the other one didn't really have the full like design. It's at my parents' house, so I can't even show you the old one. But we do have the actual graphic design on the back that was supposed to be there. The hood itself, the front, we do have the embroidered Venom logo. Same length sleeves. We have shortened the front. So let's try her on. Oh yeah, this is cute. So yeah, it's kind of cropped now. Basically, I cropped it to end where the sweatpants will begin. And I also had the band widened because I didn't want the band to like, you know, that whole rollover band vibe. And I actually like this a lot because I'm like, I just want to throw a sweatshirt on. I still like to be cozy. I don't know if y'all are like me, but I like my hands like kind of covered so I can be cozy. I will say the pocket feels a little big now. Like they definitely kept the same pocket and it's literally above my nipples. So I don't know if we need a pocket this big, but let me actually look in my folding here. But other than that, I love the cut. Like they did the exact measurements that I wanted and came out great. All right, I'm back from the mirror and I would honestly say like, I think we're there. Like I think the hoodie is there. I'm obsessed with the fit. Like even right now, like with just these high-waisted jeans, like this is cute. I'm gonna wear this week, I think, out just to see. Only thing is the pocket. The pocket is a little weird. So I like the size of the pocket, but I don't know. It's just in a weird placement. Do we need a pocket? There's pockets in the pants. Do we need a pocket in the front? I do love me a pocket though. Yeah, I think we just, but I feel like a shorter pocket would look weird. I don't know. I'm gonna wear it to an event this week and ask some people their thoughts. Maybe I'll get it on video. That'd be cute.
Yeah, we on your radar. Yeah. Hey, look.
Hi friends. So I'm designing the custom Venom step and repeat because we're having our first Venom sponsored event, aka my birthday, and that's where I'll be launching the Venom surprise. So check out that vlog in the future to find out what the surprise is gonna be. But I guess y'all maybe know by now. I don't know. But anyways, no, you won't know by now because this vlog releases next weekend. Yeah, no. But anyways, so the event is gonna have like a custom step and repeat. So we're just gonna get a basic Venom step and repeat so we can use it over and over again because, you know, recyclable, sustainable, all that jazz. And I got some good news today, guys. The totes, I got the date that the totes will be here. So as soon as they actually physically come, because, you know, I want to make sure everything's good to go, I will release the launch date. So I know what date. I will hopefully be able to confirm a launch date. So we're getting there. There's a little bit of motion. The shoot was actually rescheduled rescheduled to next week. So I know I didn't do a vlog last week because I was like, there's a lot of stuff going on this week, but there's no longer is as much stuff going on this week. So I'm just gonna try to capture the moments of just waiting and being patient and the little things we'll do in between. But yeah, so I'm excited. We got a lot of stuff happening. July is around the corner and it's about to go crazy. It's about to go crazy.
Top floor lifestyle, chef and boy, I'm cooking up. Way too high, ain't coming down, you see me.
The moment we have all been waiting for. This is pretty much the reason Venom Totes release in July, and it's July 1st, so this is actually perfect timing. Moment of truth. Let's hope these look how they're supposed to. Okay. The first one, oh, they're warm. It was been sitting outside.
It was.
Okay, they look good on the outside. On the inside, okay. We have our, don't know if you can see it, we attached our pocket on the inside. So now you can actually put your stuff in the attached pocket so it won't weigh down the bag. And then we added 2 interior pockets. Venom tote bag. They actually did change the material on the inside. I don't know, didn't ask for it, but we shall see. Maybe it doesn't get as dirty or something, I don't know. It seems a bit more slick actually. And then
Maybe it's spill proof or something.
this is the full tote. Thumbnail picture. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and pack the first tote that I'm gonna gift to the model that we're working with this weekend for the Venom shoot. So pack my first item with me. All right, so let's pack the first Venom tote. So we have the custom Venom mailers with our simple Venom logo. I don't know exactly, so I have the sticker sheet and then a thank you card that I wrote a personalized message on the back. And so I haven't decided like where I want to stick the stuff. The card does fit in the front, but I don't think the stickers will. Maybe I should just put it on top of the bag and fold over the straps to the back of the bag. So let me make sure the bag comes straight. And then I'm assuming since people are gonna open it this way, I want the bag to face this direction. Into our mailer. Perfect fit. So yeah, it'd probably be easier to just put the bags in, put the tote bags in, then put the stickers, and then put the card in. And then take off the sticky part. And then sticker. And then for the people I'm mailing it to, I'll add the label. And we have a Venom tote package. So,
If you looking up, I don't really talk too much, I show 'em